K's back on the production. And you already know we let them choppers ride. And you know it's gonna be another homicide. Get the money, get the paper, and I'm trapping out the banger. Call me Migos when I ride through in the hood, and I make it smooth. Come at me, you get shot, then that's the truth. Trapping on the beat, get the money up, dope boy, and you know it, Kate, he's a man, from Milwaukee North Side, and you know, pitchforks till the day I die, and I keep that money, ho. Come at me, it's gonna be a homicide, and I'm from the streets, and I can't see the overside, and you know I lived in South, and it was no joke. Went to Southeast Middle School, niggas acting like hoes. Fuck with me, boy, you gon' get dropped down. And I let them pistols ride and them choppers blind. Let that beat drop before I kill another man.